Welcome back to Engine Plusle, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting innovations of 2025, the GMC Motorhome truck. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle on wheels, built to redefine road trips and adventure travel. Let's start with its bold design. The exterior strikes a perfect balance between ruggedness and sophistication. With a sleek aerodynamic front end paired with robust lines and muscular wheel arches, this motorhome truck looks just as comfortable in a downtown parking lot as it does deep in the wilderness. The LED lighting system is a standout, offering adaptive beams and signature lighting that make it instantly recognizable, day or night. Under the hood, GMC has equipped this beast with their latest hybrid powertrain technology. The combination of a powerful V8 engine and an advanced electric motor ensures not only exceptional power but also impressive fuel efficiency. With up to 600 horsepower and a towing capacity of 12,000 pounds, it's ready for anything, from hauling heavy gear to pulling a fully equipped trailer. Inside, it's all about luxury and functionality. The cabin is a masterpiece of modern design, featuring premium materials like sustainable leather, real wood accents, and brushed aluminum details. The driver's seat offers a commanding view of the road with a fully digital dashboard and a 15-inch infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with your devices. GMC's latest connectivity features, including 5G Wi-Fi, wireless charging, and over-the-air updates, make it feel like a tech hub on wheels. Now, let's talk about what makes this truck a motorhome. The rear section transforms into a living space, complete with a kitchenette, sleeping quarters, and even a compact bathroom. The smart layout ensures every inch of space is utilized efficiently. The fold-out bed is spacious enough for 2 adults, and the kitchenette includes a 2-burner stove, a sink, and a mini fridge. The solar panel system on the roof keeps your battery charged, making it perfect for off-grid adventures. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. With GMC's Pro Safety Plus suite, you get advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the optional terrain management system, which adapts the truck's performance to various surfaces like sand, mud, or snow. Whether you're exploring national parks, heading out on a cross-country journey, or just seeking a weekend escape, the 2025 GMC Motorhome truck is designed to make every adventure unforgettable. With its unparalleled versatility, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious comfort, it's not just a vehicle, it's your home away from home. That wraps up our review of the 2025 GMC Motorhome truck. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Engine Plusle for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in automotive innovation. See you in the next one. Closing scene. The GMC Motorhome truck parked at a campsite with a sunset in the background. Music fades out.